We'll guide you through how to track a lost or stolen iPhone with another iPhone. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you're in this situation of where your iPhone is lost or it's been stolen, and so therefore you want to go and track and find it from another iPhone. Probably your friend's iPhone, or maybe you've got a work one. We're going to guide you through this step by step so you can go and hopefully go and find it and be able to go and access the different features Apple have for when your iPhone has been lost or stolen. Make sure it's this full guide so you know what to do step by step. So this problem can be really annoying because you're thinking, I haven't got another Apple device I can go and use to track it, or you don't have access to it. So don't worry, because you still can. And in fact, you don't even have to do this on another iPhone. It could be on another computer. It doesn't matter. We're going to guide you through this step by step. So what you actually need to do is you do need to go and open up a web browser. So in this case, I'm on an iPhone, so I can go and use Safari, but you could go and use another browser like Chrome or whatever. It doesn't matter. Now, what you need to do is go and press on the search like this, and we're going to go and type in Find My Apple, like so. Now, the site you're going to want to go to is this one here. Find devices, Apple iCloud is iCloud.com. Of course, make sure you're using the official iCloud or Apple site. Here, you then need to go and press sign in. Now, if you're using somebody else's iPhone, there's going to be a pop-up about using their account. You need to go and press the cross like this, wait for this to load, and now we can start the sign-in process. So enter in your email or phone number for your Apple ID account. You can then press continue, and what you'll need to do is go and enter in your password. If it goes and tries to autofill it, you can go and change it. Then what you can do is go and press sign in. Now, because we went and signed in to the Find My part of iCloud, you are going to have limited access to your iCloud account, but it means you then don't have to go and do the two-factor authentication, which you'll have to do if you just sign into the main iCloud site. So hopefully now you're able to go and start tracking, and you're going to go and see your devices here, and you can go and find your iPhone. For example, I can see iPhone 1 here. I can then go and tap on it, or GR iPhone, and we can then go and start accessing the different tracking options. So if you've just lost it, you can go and press play sound like in your house, and you'll hopefully be able to then go and find it, as it will make a loud ringing sound. Or if you believe it's been lost or stolen, what you can do is go and press lost iPhone, and you can start the process of locking it and securing it so it doesn't make it usable. And you can even go and put a message on there as well, going and saying the owner of it. You could put your phone number on there, or a way to go and contact you, as you may not actually have access to your phone number. But hopefully with the help of this video, you've now managed to go and track and find it, as it can be a really worrying problem. As I said before, I made the mistake of trying to go straight to iCloud.com. Then it starts asking for two-factor authentication, which of course I can't complete as I haven't got another Apple ID account. So that's it. And of course, if you're using someone else's iPhone, their iCloud account signed into the Find My app on their device. So that's not usable, but doing it this way allows you to go and track and find it. So I hope you found this useful. If you did, please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got loads more guides on the channel you can go and hopefully find useful in the future. So I hope we can go and help you again as well.